everyone. Is your Gmail not sending or receiving email on your iPhone? Don't worry, this is a common issue. And in this video, I will show you simple ways to fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure internet connection is working properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If the internet is not stable, Gmail won't be able to send and receive email. Step 2. Refresh the Mail app. Open the Mail app and swipe down on the screen to refresh your inbox. Sometimes email just need a manual refresh to appear. Step 3. Check mail fetch settings. Go to settings, mail, accounts, fetch new data. Make sure fetch is enabled and your Gmail account is set to fetch or push. Step 4. Check Gmail account settings. Go to settings, mail, account and tap Gmail account. Make sure email is turned on so your iPhone can scan Gmail messages. Step 5. Remove or re-add your Gmail account. If email are still not working, remove your Gmail account and add it again. Go to settings, mail, accounts, Gmail, delete account. Then tap add account and sign in with Google. Step 6. Update your iPhone. Sometimes the issue is not caused by a software bug. Go to settings, general, software update and install any available updates. And that's it. These steps should fix Gmail not sending or receiving emails on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy iPhone tips.